Mr. Puzzle Box, and lots of cool stuff with bricks. And so I thought I'd show you guys this. So when you first look at it, it looks pretty solid. I mean, there's a few suspicious places, but not too much you can do. Because the first part is actually on the top. Just take out this. So then you go to this side. And I'm going to show you from this end. And you have to pull it out. Let me get this thing out. I'm going to open it just a bit so you can see. Okay. Maybe one of these days I'll get it out. Oh goodness. Come on. Okay, finally. So, push this piece out after much concentration and effort. You might have to use this. Push it out. Reveals a little hole. You then put your key in the hole. Out comes this with your $100 on it. So it's pretty easy puzzle box to make and simple. And on the plus side, it looks really cool. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you on the next one.